Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This house has almost everything. A partially complete 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom bungalow, inclusive of large living and dining room, kitchen, laundry, pantry, TV room, helper's quarters, and garage. All bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms and plenty of closet space. This quarter-acre lot still has a large amount of space for a generous front lawn and a fruitful backyard garden, being situated walking distance from the town of Ocho Rios. This property is ideal for a private family home or an investment property. Like we said, it has almost everything. Add your preferred finishes and make it your very own. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.